In Eva-Last's pursuit to continually enhance installation efficiencies, we proudly introduce the chain hand tool. Designed for improved functionality, accessibility, and an effortless user experience, this innovative tool is engineered to maximize the installation effectiveness of hidden fasteners for the ultimate deck finish. Together with the chain preloaded magazine of 15 collated decking clips suitable for timber and metal substructures, the hand tool enables more precise, faster, and easier deck installation. How it works. Step 1. Set the tool height. Begin by adjusting the hand tool height to fit your decking board. Each kit includes height adjusters labeled for compatibility with different board sizes. You'll notice the tool comes standard with C6 compatibility, so there's no need to add an adjuster for this requirement. Please refer to the box insert to select the correct adjuster for the board you're using. For Eva-Last Infinity I-Series decking, we'll use the C9 adjuster. Step 2. Load the collated clips. Next, load the collated clip magazine into the tool's guide slot by lining up the rounded spring side of the clip with the channel of the tool. Then slide the strip into the end of the tool, securing it into place. Each magazine includes 15 preloaded clips, designed for use on wood and metal substructures. Step 3. Set drill torque and joist location pin. Set your drill to 30% of its maximum. Use the provided collared Torx 15-bit to ensure precise fastening. Then, set the joist location pin for consistent clip placement across all joists. Please note that when dealing with immovable obstructions at the start and end of the decking run, consider slightly offsetting your first and last joists to accommodate the tool's head and tail. Be mindful of avoiding excessive overhang of the deck board end over the last joist. For detailed guidance on board overhang, please consult our decking installation guides. Step 4. Fasten clips in place. With everything ready, place the hand tool over the joist, aligning it with the board groove to ensure the board groove locators are in the correct position. Hold the tool steady and fasten the clip. Once secured, pivot the tool towards you to tear the clip away from the remaining collation. It's advisable to double back and secure the last clip on the opposing end before continuing your run. When it's time to fix the next clip, simply slide the collation forward and repeat the process. The final clip position is in a floating state, allowing it to be tightened to the desired position. This provides sufficient tension to lever the next board into place, eliminating the need to double back and retighten any clip screws. Step 5. Install next board. To install the next board, simply line up the boards, placing the board on the joist, leveraging it under the spring of the first clip, and clipping it into place. The gap and alignment will be perfectly set. Repeat these steps as you move down the joist. Now, with the tool's ambidextrous design, it provides easy use for both left and right-handed operators, while its improved maneuverability allows for effortless navigation around obstructions. To accommodate different board groove heights, the chain hand tool includes a standard C6 spacer and, in each box, 2 additional pairs of height adjusters, labeled C7 and C9, to work with various board groove heights. Each adjuster features a male buckle clip, allowing for quick and easy insertion by simply clicking it into place. For a more precise fit, the chain hand tool is equipped with newly machined joist pins to ensure the screw consistently hits the center of the joist. Simply loosen the pin by hand, position the tool over the joist to confirm the screw is centered, then tighten the pin. This feature ensures accurate clip placement throughout the entire project. To ensure minimal interference with clip placement, the pins have been machined to accommodate most steel edge circumferences. Thanks to improved loading angles for easier insertion, the decking clip loading process is now smoother and simpler, reducing any clip jams. With Eva-Last's chain hand tool, you'll achieve a clean, professional deck installation every time. Here's to building better together.